Hi, Bill Dube here, and welcome to my Saturday madness. I'm trying out a new vloggy, which is basically a little gimbal that'll hopefully put some stabilization into my moving around the house. And I am going to be introducing you to some of the craziness that goes on in my house. Right now, it's a mess. And let's turn you around so that we can show some of this mess. It's a little crazy, but we're still going. Anyways, these are some tripods that I purchased on Goodwill because I needed tripods. This was one of my first purchases right there. That was about $22. The shipping actually doubled the cost of these things, bringing it up to $22. I actually purchased it for under $10. Here's another one. This one's a really cool tripod because it's a Manon, and if I release this, I can now do horizontal. This is a small rig head that I purchased to specifically be able to do different rigs. This tripod here is a Vivitar 911, a rare tripod, actually not that rare, but I purchased this back in the 1985, and I'm getting a red battery signal, so I probably won't be able to record much longer, so let's be fast. Here's 4 more tripods that I purchased. This one here, I don't know how much work is going to be. It had a lot of dirt on it, so I didn't know. And it's a Velbon Stratus 470 video. This one here is a vintage Velbon also. It's basically bulletproof because sorry about that thing hanging in the shot there. But it's pretty bulletproof because it's all metal. Now I'm doing a restoration on this. Obviously the legs aren't in it right now. And there's a small piece that was missing. See that little piece of nylon in there? Well, that piece was missing on one of the legs, and that was the reason why one of the legs wouldn't stay in. And it's a fairly simple fix. So I am going to fix it. I just thought you might want to see some of my projects. I'm going to also, I don't know how much of a restoration video I'm going to be doing here. There was one other thing that I wanted to point out. My other project is going to be to make a foot for this. It's one of these type of feet where you can expose the spike by spinning the little rubber, but the rubber wasn't existent here. So what I've done is I've purchased some feet, and I'm going to take these feet and fill it up with shoe glue and have a little channel protector here and put it in just like that. And that's going to be one of the other things that I have to fix on this tripod. And we'll see if that works. Then I'll trim it down right about there so that it looks a little bit like that. Because you can kind of see that it does have a similar... And the reason why I'm doing that is because the expense on doing it the other way is quite expensive. So, that's it. Welcome to my crazy world. The reason why I'm sharing about shopgoodwill.com is so that you too can save some money on your camera and tripod purchases. As a matter of fact, this camera that I'm shooting with, which is a Canon SD780IS, was purchased on Amazon, not Amazon, on Shop Goodwill also. As you can see, I don't have a monitor, so I don't know how much of the frame I'm filling up. Please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on YouTube. Hit the bell over here to subscribe. I hope that's the right way. And check out this video over here.